Since you've been away, I've been thinking of you.
I'm missing my boo.
Since you've been away, I've been thinking of you.
I've been thinking of you.
Since you've been away, I've been thinking of you.
I wanna pull up to your mama house, but me and your mama, we done fell out. Yeah, I see your car parked in the yard, but at the crib, all the lights on.
Honey.
This give me like Janet Jackson tease. I can feel your hands moving up my thighs, swirl around my waist. Oh my God, my voice is going away. I don't wanna stop, no, no, no. I want you. All I wanna say is say it again, say it again. No, 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 no. I don't care who's around. Ooh. I know, dramatic, right? Hey cuties, it's Chatney B coming to you, and today I am bringing you some big hair, baby. So if you're interested in this wig, stay tuned. This is Chatney here, and I'm coming to you with this unit here. I'm going to read off the stock card. We're going to take it up close, and then we will meet each other back here. This is from Janet Collection. It's the part of their Brazilian scent, protein infused 100% human hair premium blend lace wigs collection, and her name is Rain. Her color is PFS 1B/30. She has a Remy touch, tangle free and shed free is what they're claiming. They have multiple colors, but like I stated before, this is PFS 1B/30. So this is how she looks overall. And let's go ahead and get into the construction of the cap. We are dream girls, boys, we make you happy. Yeah, 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 we are dream girls, boy. That's what I feel like. Now, I'm up close and personal, and something's going on with my eyelash, okay? So, it's like, hold on, please. Don't judge me. My lashes is big and my hair is big, so if my lashes is a little out of whack, don't judge me, okay? Help me, don't judge me. Send me some eyelashes, how about that? Here is all up and close and personal, and she's a doll. I really never pay too much attention to curly units because I really don't think curly units look good on me, but most people like curly units on my round face. And I will admit, my sister loves, like, that's all she wears is curly hair. She has a round face as well, and I think they look so good on her, but I just don't think they look good on me. But I actually do really like this unit, and I like the color play on it. So let's get into the construction of this cap. So here is the close-up of the hair. I didn't cut any baby hairs out. These are my baby hairs that I just kind of laid down. I did put a little bit of concealer. I did not pluck the part whatsoever. There is two combs, one comb here, one comb here. There's one comb in the back, and there is adjustable straps as well. If you see this right here, if you can see up close, this is the black and the 30. So it's black and brown streaks, just in case you thought that my part was messed up, girl. It's not. That is the color of the rainbow. Why am I such a singing mood today when I don't feel good? It is a little snug. It's not too tight, but it is right on the verge. Y'all know how to do. Right on the verge of being too small for your girl's head, but I do like the fact that it does still feel secure with the combs in. I have my own baby hair, so I didn't really need to cut any out. And I will say this, like, I really like her curls. Can y'all see how these curls look? Look at these curls. I'm very particular about curly hair. And so if I do get curly hair, this is the type of curls that I like. And I don't know what kind of curls those are, but they're not like, I don't know, I'm just like picky. I don't like stuff that's like too tight or whatever. Look at that. Look at that. That's so freaking pretty. I want to cry. Big head girls, we can fit it. Low manipulation. I just cut the lace off of the hair. That's it. So take me back, because this hair is pretty. It's pretty. Ay, it's pretty. Ay, it's pretty. Ay, it's pretty. Ay. I feel like a pretty girl. This is really, really pretty hair. I really like it. So let's take it back. Take it back one time. Ooh. One hop this time. Ooh. Reverse. Reverse. All right, ladies, so I am 5'4". There's no reason for me to stand up because this is not a long unit. It is coming to my boob area. It is very curly. The more you manipulate it, the more it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So that's why you see it the way that it is. I am more of a middle part type person, but I did want to try something different because I am bringing you a curly unit. And I just wanted to try something different. Like, I want to be able to give my viewers options. Curly, short, long, wavy, whatever. Like, I'm trying to bring you different stuff for the pretty girls because we're pretty. Like, pretty girls can wear whatever it is that they choose to wear. Like, whatever they choose to wear, right? So anyway, this is the length she's coming down. She's kind of like layered to make it bigger, and I really like that. I really like how defined these curls are, but at the same time, how when you pick them out, they're not losing the curl and they're not looking like fluffy and you know how when you start to pick with it so much it starts to frizz up. It's not frizzing up at all. I don't know if it tangles or not, or if it sheds or not, because I never ever run my hands through a curly unit like this. I fluff it out just a little bit like this, and that's about it. That's about it. Like, you just play with it to see if it's going to frame your face, but other than that, you do not brush curly wigs, do not comb curly wigs, do not put heat on curly wigs, because you're going to mess up the authenticity of the wig. And we don't want to do that because this is a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous unit. Like, do you see that? I give this a thumbs up. I do. I like the little color play in it. It has some brown tones in there and some black, so it's not overpowering. I feel like when you have big hair like this, it should be kind of subtle with little pops of color. So I do like the color in it. It feels pretty soft. It doesn't feel harsh at all. It's not itching. It's not irritating my skin whatsoever. That's all I can say. Like, this looks like it could be a good old twist out, or like some real natural hair for those who like to wear the natural, rock the natural hair kind of look. This is something that I would definitely recommend for you because I really like the curls in this unit. It's framing my face nicely. It's complementing my round face properly, like big hair should. It's not too long, so I don't feel like it's weighing me down. The density is perfect on it. It's not heavy whatsoever. I don't feel like it's gonna make me bust out in a sweat. I can feel all the air coming my way. Okay, so what do you think? I like it. Yeah, so it makes me feel like I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. So let's go ahead and do a roundabout for the girls. All right, here's the side. Here is the back. Here is the side. And here is the front. Take a picture. Click, click. Take a picture. Click, click. Take a picture or click, click. The wig kind of speaks for itself. It looks natural. It looks nice on me, and I think that it will be nice on you as well. Again, I did receive this wig from Janet Collection. If you're interested in this wig, I will include that information down below for you. Do you like this wig? Do you have this wig? What are your thoughts about Rain? Did she shed on you? Did she tangle on you? How long did she last of you? Do you have pictures with Rain on? If you do, make sure you tag me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, it is at @TheReal_ChatneyB, which is also notated down somewhere at the bottom here of this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I am trying to get to 3,000 subscribers so we can start these giveaways, guys. So turn on that notification bell so you're aware of all the awesome things that I have in store for you. And in the meantime, in between time, make sure you take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't come back to see me. And child, that's just not fair. Pinky promise I'll do the same as I continue to try to get better and get over this cold. I love you. I love you though, okay? I love you. I love you. I love you. Go get this wig, because you're going to look like a pretty girl. All that. All that. All that. All that. All that. Oh. Yeah, you're gonna be pretty in this hair. Bye.